So today we're going to be creating a video player in an iPod, and we're going to be connecting it to 3 different mood-based playlists in YouTube. Figma Make is pretty incredible. There's a lot of apps that you can make. I've already made a SoundCloud playlist player, and I've also created a YouTube player. So I'm going to combine those 2 ideas and create this video player on my website in Figma Make. So before I get started, you're going to need 3 things. 1, you're going to need an API key from Google, and you can get that on Google Cloud. The second thing you're going to need is this code snippet, which I found on Google, to control the pause play functionality of the iframe player. And the third thing you're going to need is the iframe embed code, and you can get that if you go to your playlist and then hit share and then hit embed. So here's what the full prompt looks like. The music player request, the API key, the embed code for your playlist, followed by the API calls for the video player. So here's what Figma Make came up with. A video player, including a navigation. So my next iteration is going to be a mood-based playlist system. So I asked it to add 3 buttons and gave it 3 different playlists from YouTube. So here's what Figma Make came up with. While I didn't give it icons or copy or gradients, it came up with all 3 based on the branding on my website. So now you can click any one of these, you'll get to the iPod video player, and you can hit play, and the menu works, and if you select a different mood, you get a different playlist. Well, it's not perfect, and there's a lot of bugs that I had to quash. You just have to continue with your prompts and ask it to fix anything that comes up. This was a really successful app, and I'm really pleased with the results.